Before beginning any cleaning, check to make sure that your dehumidifier is off. Next, grab the self-rinsing foaming coil cleaner and spray the entire surface of the coils in an even pattern. And that's it. There's no need to rinse because once the machine is restarted, the condensation in the dehumidification process will do that for you. Repeat this process on a regular basis to keep your Titan running smoothly. In a typical environment, the coils will need to be cleaned at least once per year.